Hi, this is Dr.B.Vijayakumar. Today we discuss the case study on I-shaped girder and applications. Yeah. So today we discuss the case study on I-shaped girder and its application. The I-shaped is one of types we form in a construction of bridges and artificial house in a foreign countries, right? The I-shaped means this is I-shaped. So the bottom, middle portion and the top portion, right? So the stress is applied in top portion, it converted in the middle portion, then finally it became transferred in the base. So the stress is immediately to transfer in one end to another end. The material is not disturbed, it's formed in the same nature in a longer period. So we have used in I-shaped girders, right? For example, the I-shaped girders, it's based on the thickness and breadth of the load will be applied. So we start from the case study of I-shaped girder. We have changed in a different types of material and as well as the thickness of the material, right? The stress will be applied in a I-shaped girder. For example, the railway track, that means the rail form is a lower, middle and wider, right? The lower is connected in a railway wheels and the load is applied in the upper portion, easily transferred from the base. So the base is formed in the expansion and contraction formation given from the elasticity of nature materials, right? So the different types of applications we have used in I-shaped girder. So for example, the river over the bridge, the high loaded the over bridges and construction of building and artificial buildings, right? These all we have used in the I-shaped girders. So the I-shaped girder is one of a very important material and shape also to be formed in the construction of buildings, right? If you have any doubt from I-shaped girders,
So different types of girders are there. Why we choose only I-shaped girders?
the I-shaped girder we have used in only for the loading of weight, right? But the girder, other types of girder is a supporting of the buildings, but it's not applied in load of the building, right? Look at that, the upper, right, it becomes in a circular formations and the triangle is also to be connected. But this is a supporting of the building, but the main load will be given in only for the I-shaped girders. That's why we have used in the construction based area to the form of I-shaped girder. The reason means whenever the load is applied in more and more from that material based on in upper level or the above of certain range, right? All the load it immediately transfer in base, that means in our earth, right? So in this gap to be filled in this I-shaped, right? It is easily to be transferred without any damage of the construction and as well as the pillars. The pillars means it's an artificial I-shaped girders, right? The girder is mostly it's a form of alloys and iron bars because the strength of the material is very important role to the form of I-shaped girder. So this criteria we have formed in some case studies, right? Which material we have used in I-shaped girder and what is the strength of the material we have used in I-shaped girder, right? Then I-shaped, why we have formed it, the I-shaped we form, what are the advantages it will be created in a I-shaped girder. This all we have get from the case study of this discussions, right?
So you told about the advantages of I-shaped girders. So what are the disadvantages and other applications?
The other application is an artificial home make, right? The construction, once we have constructed, the building will be constructed, or once we have constructed in an auditorium, right? It's a same, but in the other countries, they will be used in only for the artificial home created in a certain area, right? They will be used in only for I-shaped girders. Easily it will be constructed and easily it will become removed to be changed in the other place to form of the different shape and size of the. That is another one advantages to form of the I-shaped girder. Disadvantages, the many areas, that means it's a fixed areas, for example over bridges. The over bridges we have constructed in a one I-shaped girder. The continuously it's a form of I-shaped girder to the apply of heavy loads, right? The I-shaped become formed with some cracks and pores, right? Due to some thermal or the humidity of the atmosphere, right? That is a disadvantageous form of, and the same the rusting, because we have used in a metal, the metal easily to be rusted in a atmospheric conditions, right? Thank you.